Like to start up a Chapati business, or you'd like to invest in a Chapati business, but you are looking on ways that can make your Chapati business very successful within a short time, then you are in the right place, and keep watching this video because I'm going to be giving you some of the hottest ways that can make your Chapati business very successful within a short time. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karen Tech Media. If you're new here on this channel, I always help people learn how to start their own businesses, learn many business strategies and many profitable businesses they can start nowadays, and also how to make money online also. So if you're interested in all that, please leave a subscribe by hitting that subscribe button in a red color, enabling the notification button or the bell button, which is on the right side of that subscribe button, and you would have helped me, and I know it will be amazing for you to subscribe to this channel. So please subscribe, enable the notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I make any of my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the tips, or I'm going to be showing you ways which you can use and start up a Chapati business. So Chapati business is the most common business that is well known in Africa, commonly in countries like Uganda. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this business, how you can start it, and it becomes successful within a short time. So keep watching this video until the end so that you can't miss any point that can make your business successful. I'm also on other social media platforms. I'm called Karen Tech Media, and you can go and check my videos, check them out, give them likes, follow me, and I know you're going to enjoy those videos too. So in today's video, as I've told you, I'm going to be showing you how you can start a Chapati business. I'm going to be showing you some of the items that you can start with, and also give you the tips that you can use for your business to be successful than those people whom you are going to compete with at the market. So I'm going to be starting with some items or tools that you can use in your business, or that you need to be having to start a Chapati business. So the first one that you need is a baking flour. So baking flour nowadays, the packet, I think it's like at 10,000. At 10,000 you can get this packet of baking flour. The second item you need is charcoal stove, which we call like sigili in our language, which is like at 40,000 shillings. We are taking this as examples, and you see how much money do you have, how much equipment can I afford to start this business. So the third thing that you can start with is trays. So these trays can help you to keep your eggs very safely, because you know this Chapati business, you need to be having these eggs. There are people who like raw eggs. So if you want to be making also low eggs, you need these eggs, and in order to keep them very safely, you can keep them in this tray. So you can buy more as you can, but one tray, I think it's at 3,000 shillings. You can buy it. You need another thing you need is saucepans to be cooked in beans to serve people. So these beans that you're going to be serving people for chikomando, those who like beans with chapati. So you need also these saucepans which you're going to be cooking in your beans. So the fifth one is plates and forks. With forks that people are going to be using, you're going to find yourself that it's taking like 30,000 shillings. You need a chapati pan, that one where you're going to be cooking your chapati from, where you're going to be preparing your chapati from. It's going to take like 20,000 shillings. You need a roller or a rolling pin, that one to prepare also your chapati in the process of making it ready for people, which are going to be needing like 8,000 shillings. So another thing you're going to be needing is beans. 1 kilogram, it's at 3,000, I think, nowadays. So The ninth item is cooking oil, because this chapati, in making it, you need oil. So you need a cooking oil. You are the one who knows which liters are you going to be starting with. But 1 liter, I think it's enough for like 3 or 4 days, which can take like 10,000 shillings. So you need also rent. Sometimes you might find someone who can give you a press for free, but you might find that a press you have to pay for it, so you need rent. Rent, I think it cannot go higher than 50,000 shillings. So you can see that if you have your 400,000 shillings, 500,000 shillings, you can start your chapati business, and which is very standard, which you can run in a busy place like Kampala, on those streets. So you can start making money with this chapati business with those items. And there are also some ingredients that we can put like in chapati. So those ingredients, you can also go and buy them. I think they cannot take much money. So if you have your 400,000 shillings, please run to this business because it's making a lot of money. So I was asking one of my friends who told me that he can get profits on 1 carton of baking flour, like 15,000, 1 carton a day. So imagine if you have used like 10 or 18 cartons so a day, you can see that you can get more profits in it. If you 1 carton, you can get like 15,000, and you have used like 8 or 12 cartons, so you are going to make a lot of money, because many people like eating chikomando, low legs, chapati. If it's school time, children like taking this chapati for breakfast. So make sure that you can start this chapati business because it's very profitable. So I'm going to be jumping with some of the best tips that you can use and this business of chapati, and it becomes very successful. So I know you're asking yourself, I'm new in a place and I am not going to be getting more customers like those ones whom I have found there. So you're asking yourself, which tips are you going to be using for you to get more clients? So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you the best 3 tips that you can use in your business, in this chapati business, and make a lot of money and get more clients. So the first tip is that look for a place that has more people and has some few competitors. So you look for a place where you're not going to be having someone who is selling chikomando like 2 meters or 3 meters aside of you. No, look for a place where there are more people and where you're going to find yourself when you are like 3 or 2 in a place. So you find that you have a distance between you, that some customers are going to be coming from your side, not buying from here, and you have another person here who is also selling a chikomando business or who is having a chapati business. So make sure that you are in a place where there are more people and there are also few competitors, because you are going to be needing a space to make your customers. So the second tip is that try to be unique from other chapati makers. So you are like 6 or 5 in a place doing this chapati business. So if you make the same chapati, you add the same ingredients, it means you are not going to get more clients. So if you're starting your business, make sure that you don't focus on your savings more, or you don't focus on your profit more. Focus on your clients first, so that you can get more clients instead of thinking about your profits and thinking about your income first. First, think about your clients who are going to buy your chapati. Put some ingredients that they are unique from your competitors, so that you are going to get more customers to buy your chapati. So make sure that you add good ingredients. You make your chapati somehow bigger than those ones, other competitors that you have. Make sure that your chapati, they are clean. You have sanitation where you are. So make sure that you are very unique from other chapati makers, which is going to make you unique and which is going to make you different, and people are going to be many at your place where you are selling those chapatis. So the third tip that you're going to do is that look for someone to go their behalf of you whenever you are somehow busy. In case you're not there, or in case you have some problems to solve, look for somebody who is going to replace you, who is going to be there for you, and make sure that that person is well skilled, is trustworthy. Make sure that if he or she has made some profits, is going to present to you as they are, not cheating, not cheating on your business, not making losses when you are not there. So make sure you bring a person who is very trustworthy, who can give you good readings of what he or she has made on that day. So make sure that you get someone to help you who is well skilled, who can make good chapatis as you can make, or who can make more than you. So if you are going to look for labor, make sure that you look for people who are well skilled, who are well mannered, who can also welcome people well. So the last tip that I can give you, which you can use and also grow your chapati business, is to give your customers or clients attention. So make sure that if you have a client, if you have a customer who has come to buy from you those chapatis, make sure that you give her or him attention. No matter how busy you are, to give your customers attention is a very important thing, which is going to keep them coming to your place where you're selling that chapati business. So make sure that you give your clients attention and you listen what they're going to tell you, and also offer them good services, or you offer them good and high quality of those chapatis compared to other competitors that you have in your place. So if you follow these tips that I've given you, trust me, your chapati business is going to grow, and you find that you have more clients or more customers within a short time, because if you be unique from other competitors that you have aside of you, and you don't focus much on your income or on your profits, and you first focus on your clients who are going to be buying from you, trust me, you're going to be making a lot of money within a short time, because you're going to get more clients, because you have become unique from other chapati makers around you. So that was all for today. I think you have gained much from this video, because this video I've made it to help you guys make money out of this chapati business, because many people are making it and gaining more profits, and for us we are seeing as if this job is not gaining more profits. But guys, this chapati business is making a lot of money, because you find that many people don't cook for themselves. They just go and get Chikomando or Rolex from you, and they eat their lunch or supper like that. So many people don't like going for food, which is very expensive. They come to those chapati makers to get chapati, Chikomando, Rolex, and many others. So that was from my video, and hope you have enjoyed it. And remember to leave a comment of which business do you want to also make, and I give you details on it. Or on this video, if you have found anything that you didn't understand, leave a comment, and also leave a like if it helped you. If it was useful, please leave a like, subscribe, and also enable the notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I make any of my videos. And I remind you that I am on other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and on those social media platforms I'm called Karen Tech Media. Please go there. You're going to find my videos, which are going to be very useful to you if you would like to learn how to make money online, grow your YouTube channel also, and also learn some business strategies or some profitable business which are going to help you invest in a business that you're going to be knowing very well, that is going to be giving you profits. So thanks for watching, and hope to meet you in the next video next time.